This is the Lollypop Candy collection by Giselle Cosmetics. It's one of my favorites. It has purple at the very top here. That's what I really go for. It's incredibly versatile. You could turn it into a lip gloss, you could turn it into an eyeshadow, you could turn it into a highlighter. So there's a lot of ways to mix it. You can mix it with gloss, you can mix it with any of, a little bit of primer even, and that would really look nice and evened out. I did a few swatches here, you could see. Sometimes I like to go ahead and put a little dabby dab of lip gloss and then my powder here and mix it together to create my own unique shade of lipstick. And I've loved Giselle for like 10 years, so thank you very much for letting me use some of your stuff.